Connecting Jira and GitHub is a very good idea. Jira is a project management software used by development teams to accelerate the management process and make productive environment. You can start your GitHub integration. You will need to install Git Integrate to Jira from Atlassian Marketplace. If you haven't used Git integration Jira before, you have the option to begin with the free trial. Once you get integration for the Jira install, you can begin connecting GitHub repository to Jira instances. Now from your Jira instance set, select apps from the top navigation bar. From the subsequent drop down menu, select Get Integration, Merge Integration. Now select Add Integration button to the center of the page. Now select Get Service Integration, which is recommended depend on your preferred connection method. You can either github.com OAuth, or you can use personal access token. Now beneath that, commit service, commit connect get service header, and select the connect github.com button, which is blue. Now you can select your information, you can sign in. So this is how you can simply just connect your Jira with GitHub. It's a very good process. You can simply just do it.